Do you like our videos? I hope you do. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can also leave a comment. We will respond. Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna make you a hot quinoa bowl. So in order to start a hot quinoa bowl, we have all our ingredients ready for you. And what we did initially before we started all this is that we sauteed mushrooms and kale. So let's go ahead and add that to the bowl. And this is a hot quinoa bowl. So we sauteed our mushrooms and our kale. We roasted green peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, and red peppers. Yes. And jalapeno peppers. And jalapeno. You know, we like the jalapenos. We like it spicy. Very spicy. Okay. And then we're going to add quinoa. Now, the key to eating healthy or being vegan is just, again, you can eat anything, pretty much everything you've always eaten, but you just want to change it up a little bit. If you like the southern cuisine, you can just cook greens without the pork and the ham hock. You can use vegetable broth instead of chicken broth or beef broth. Mm-hmm. Use quinoa instead of rice. Quinoa is a great alternative to rice. High in protein, high in fiber. And it tastes really good. You make it the same way you make a pot of rice. Hold it. And now the other key is that don't overcook your vegetables. Look how beautiful it is. Very colorful. The more colorful, the healthier. Trust me, I think you'll enjoy this. You want to taste it? Yeah, let's taste it. Ready? Do I need to wait for you? Wait for me. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. I mean, the peppers, the mushrooms, the jalapeno peppers. You'll be surprised the flavors that you get. Stop eating. The flavors that you get out of your roasted vegetables and your sauteed vegetables. And I really love quinoa. If you've never tasted it, you got to try quinoa. Some people say, I don't know if I'm going to like it. Try it before you say you don't like it. Eating healthy is really not expensive. Go to the farmer's market. Best deal on earth. Okay. I'm going to eat some more. Yeah, that's good. I haven't had any breakfast.